Hi, I'm Angel with Proven Industries, and I'm here today to go over our model GDS lock. This model is designed specifically for our Demco style gooseneck couplers with the EZ Latch. In this video, I'm going to show you what's included with your GDS lock and go over how easy it is to install. Now I'm going to show you what's included when you order your model GDS lock. You have an inner slide, your outer shield, and you'll have your puck lock with 2 keys, which can be key-to-like to match all of your other Proven locks. Now I'll demonstrate how easy it is to install this lock onto your Demco Gooseneck EZ Latch coupler. This model will fit the specific coupler with or without these bolts right here. So first you're going to take your inner slide, and you're going to place it and bring your latch down. Then you're going to take your outer shield and you're going to slide it over your coupler. You're going to take your puck, make sure your tabs are well aligned, place your puck, and lock.